Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have another collection from IMethod Beauty. This is their Staycation collection. I think these ones are more spring summery colors, so let's get into it. So we have 6 colors in this collection as well. So here are the colors in this collection: 124, 123, 122, 125, 126, and 127. So let's go ahead and get into swatching these. So starting out with 122. This one's like a vanilla cream color. So here is what 122 looks like. It is a super pretty off-white, creamy, yellowy color. Pretty much a vanilla bean type of a color. This will make a really pretty color for springtime. Next we have 123. And this looks like a medium pink shade. Here's what 123 looks like. Again, a nice medium pink shade. This will be a good Valentine's or spring or even summer shade. Next is 124. This looks like a bright yellow. Here's what 124 looks like. Again, a bright yellow. Has a little bit of shadowing, but that'll cover in 2 coats. Next is 125. This one's a bright orange. Well, actually kind of like a medium. It's not too bright. Here's what 125 looks like. Again, a medium to bright orange. Again, a little shadowing, but that'll cover in 2 coats. 126. This is like a light green. Here's what 126 looks like. It's a beautiful springtime green color. And the last one is 127. And this one is a medium blue. Here's what 127 looks like. Again, a nice medium to bright blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure all of these, give them a second coat, and then I'll be back to show you the full collection. All right, so here is the collection. I have done 2 coats of each color as well as top coated. And again, this is the Staycation collection. I'm not sure if they meant this to be a spring or a summer collection, but to me, it's definitely more of a spring collection. You can definitely wear these shades into summer, but I think this is more of a springtime collection. So we have number 122, which is that vanilla bean color. It's going to be a really good background shade. This would also make a really good shade for a speckled egg nail if you're doing like Easter nails. 123 is a medium pink shade, super pretty. Number 124 is a bright yellow. 125 is a medium to bright orange. 126 is a light to medium green shade. This one's really pretty. This one's probably one of my favorites out of the collection. And then number 127, which is a medium to bright blue. In camera, it's, you know, blues always come out funny on camera. In camera, it's coming up more of a dark bright blue, but in real life, and hopefully I can get some good pictures of them, it's definitely more of a medium blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a fun, quick spring tutorial with some of these shades. That'll definitely get us in the spring mood, but I am excited for spring and spring colors, so let's get into the tutorial. So getting into the tutorial, I have some nail tips already prepped, and I'm going to go in with 122, 123, and 126. So I'm going to do 2 nails with that vanilla bean color, 1 nail with the pink, and 2 with that green. And just looking at these 3 together looks super springy, and they kind of match my background, so I'm happy about that. But I go ahead and I do 2 coats of all of these colors. Next, I go in with Light Elegance's Say It Ain't Cilantro. This is a green glitter that has a little bit of purple, like lilac glitter sprinkled into it. So I'm just going to do a glitter fade on those green nails with this green glitter. And next we're going to go in with some foil. So I'm going to take my foil adhesive gel from Jelly Nails, and I'm going to paint a thin layer on the 2 vanilla bean nails. And then this is the foil box I'm going to use today. I believe this one is 4 Seasons. I don't see this one currently on her site as of recording this video, but she has lots of flower bouquet bundles. Definitely go check them out. I do have my discount code with her as well. So I'm just going to cut out these flowers that match this theme. And once that foil gel is cured, I go ahead and I take my flowers that I have pre-cut out, and I'm going to rub them into that gel and really stick them down. And I'm doing 1 big flower on one, and then on the other I do another big flower with 2 little flowers under it. But these flowers with this shade of the pink and the green really match the pink and the green that I pulled to use for this tutorial. So I love how well those colors ended up matching. I'm going to go ahead and top coat all of these colors, and then I will be back for the final say of this collection. Alright, so again, here are the 6 colors from the Staycation collection from IMethod Beauty. Definitely a spring into summer collection. And here I've created a cute little floral design. I'll do some up-close pictures and footage of that one. If you guys have not checked out, I did a review of their party/holiday collection. I'll leave it in the description box down below. But I go more over like my first thoughts and everything. But these are so high pigmented. They're a good price. They are a good at-home starting gel polish. They do have some really pretty flash gels, flash glitter gels. So highly recommend taking a look at their party/holiday collection if you're still into those types of colors. But if you're ready for some spring, I would definitely pick up this collection here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching videos, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials coming up very soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.